Hello. Yes, I'm very much alive. Uh, why was I not here all these days? Because the Bangalore weather was so unforgiving. Heavy rains plus severe cold is equal to Meri Shamatai. Hanji. It was freezing with my cold intolerance, multiple sclerosis I have. In case you don't know that, if you're new, um, I could not bear the cold. No, not at all. I was lying in my bed the whole day almost, every single day. I could not get up, I could not do anything. And also, even if I could do, there was no space to record. I sit here in my backyard and record, and this place was all mushy. Do you call it mushy? Kichad. Yeah, so I could not. I wanted to update you all. Um, and finally, the sun has come out today a little, so that's why I'm sitting and recording. Uh, so, whenever the sun starts staying, like the rains completely stop off, I will start recording again. I keep boosting myself every day, saying, we can always begin again. Sorry. I will begin again. I just don't know when. Thank you so much for keeping up with me. Love you all. Bye. See you in my next video. Whenever it is sunny.